Have you been laid off from work or jobless due to lockdown? In this video, I'll show you how to earn money while at home. So please watch the whole video to know how to start earning money. If you're new to this channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to get updated with the new uploads. You have probably heard people talk about online job, but never given it a try. So now, I'll show you how to apply for online job and get hired for 15 minutes. There are lots of websites that offer online jobs, but this time, I'll consider applying to QA World. Before applying, make sure to have an access to a computer, a laptop or a desktop, and of course an internet access. You do not need to own a computer. You only need regular access to one. So let's begin and watch carefully for these 3 easy steps. Isn't it simple? It is very much simple. Once again, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe.